Biochemicals are used in diagnostics, research, and pharmaceutical manufacturing. They play a key role in developing products that support human and animal health, and are found in everything from buffer solutions and saline to diagnostic reagents. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply high-purity products for the biochemicals industry. Our products are used in everything from routine testing to the development of new therapies and devices. We produce buffer mixers, high-purity water, and bespoke chemical blends to support precision and consistency in regulated environments. Whether you're carrying out R&D or large-scale production, our products meet the demands of medical and scientific use. We develop customised formulations for sensitive and highly controlled applications. Production is available in small or large volumes, with full batch traceability, short lead times, and technical support. We're certified to ISO 9001, ISO 13485 for medical devices, the ISO 14001 environmental standard, and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety. Our quality assurance team ensures every product meets the required regulatory standards. From clinical diagnostics to biotech research, the biochemicals industry depends on reliable, consistent supply. Contact us today to see how ReAgent can support your business.